barrels and or other. How's it going? QWERTYpounds here, back with some more Lollipop chainsaw. And last we left off, we were still at the farm. Oh boy, we got candy, more candy. Well, we've got a phone call.
Juliet, it's Mom. I hate to be a dingbat, but I guess I forgot to buy milk and I have to make your cake. Would you mind picking some up on the way? Oh, wait. I really am a dingbat. It's sitting right here on the counter.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Cut that out. What are you doing beating up on the little baby zombie? It's not cool at all. There, take that. Ow, ow. You guys are way too tough. They're way too tough. Oh god. Oh, and there's so many of them. Ow. Ow. Yeah, there's one more of these guys. Get out of here. Take that. Alright, now I will take this.
Ooh, I don't have this one yet. I'm getting a great calf workout with all this jumping around.
Are you saying my head is fat?
Yes, that is exactly what I'm saying, Nick. I don't understand why there's so many barrels around. Oh god.
No, it's like evil carrot juice.
Someone's using some fucked up fertilizer.
Check this out.
Oh god. Alright, if I hit this, if I hit that, if I hit this. Oh, take that. I love this chainsaw blaster. It's so cool. Take that. Oh god, there's more of you. Really? Oh god, there's a lot of you. Alright, let me just lure you guys over by this barrel here. Come on. Come on, let's go. And... Alright, that wasn't quite as effective as I had hoped. Oh, I need to lure them all over here. Alright, come on, guys. Come on, come on. Alright, now it's just... See ya. Oh god. Oh god. Why did I waste the barrels when there was only a couple of them? I can get some good combos here, though. Oh god. Let me, eat one of these. Okay, come on, come on, come over by this barrel. Oh. Is that... Oh, the ammo doesn't regen. Why did I grab it when I was full? Oh god, there's so many zombies. So many. It'd be really useful to have that, like, thing to one-shot them. Come on. Oh, I need my sparkle meter to go all the way up. Oops. Combo. Oh, it's almost full. It's almost... Yes, yes. Alright, time for you guys to just get... Oh! Oh, 4. Oh! 4! Take this, zombies. Oh, I'm so happy that I got that when I did. Oh, that was such perfect timing. Woohoo! Oh, let me through there. Oh, it's a fatty! No, not the fatty.
I don't care for strangers.
Oh God.
I don't have the time for you, old fart.
No, we really don't. Take that. Okay, what if I smash with my butt? Sure. Take that. Sure. Ooh, that was quite a hit.
The very best kind. Oh no, where's Rosalind? Rosalind!
Why could I not just go through there? Hello, Chop Chop. I think I might be ready to buy my new outfit. We don't have a whole lot of coins, but we do have enough of the silver ones to get the new purple one. Yay! Alright. Do we have enough coins to get any upgrades? Oh, we're so close to being able to get that one. Dang it. Yeah, it doesn't look like we have enough to get anything. I don't think there's any skills we can get. Yeah, no. Can I, like, check how to do these again? I wish I could check how to do the different combos again, because I don't remember how to do most of them. Oh well. Let's continue on.
Hurry, Juliet, get in!
Okay, it works.
I was worried about you. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. This stupid bus broke down, but I fixed it.
Hey, Rosalind. Nice meeting you up close.
How did you fix the bus, Rosalind? Just last week, you had to take your car to the shop because you didn't know cars needed oil. How could you know how to...
Rosalind, where are we going?
Rosalind? Hey. What the heck?
We're dorks. You're great.
Getting all psychedelic again. And this is intense. Looks like we're gonna have another boss battle going on. It's pretty exciting. I do love the boss battles. Which means it might even be another extra long episode. We might be doing a boss battle. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Who the hell are you?
Oh, Sister Juliet and Brother Nick. Let's travel to the land beyond the doors of perception. Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious. And rot.
Listen, lady, why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart. And let my music guide you
Looks like we're gonna have to save our little sister.
into the world of everlasting peace
That is not a peace sign.
and rot and hell. Flow on, child, into the rush of chaos
Oh, God.
and dark.
Okay, I'm gonna need more ammo for this. Okay, there's ammo over here. Give me that ammo. Yeah.
Now it's mine.
Be careful, Juliet!
Accept your plight.
Be careful, Juliet!
I'm good. I got this. I haven't even gotten hit. Alright, where's that? There we go.
Shoot that hippie!
I intend to shoot the hippie. I don't like hippies. Hippies are weird. They smell.
Thunder and rage of the people. Piss on the grave of the
Oh, she's over here. She's over here.
and pray
Oh. I just sawed your face in half.
one truth becomes.
Of course, of
Truths
course.
become.
What the f...
There's like 4 of her. Is this for real? What the hell?
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Shut! Oh crap. Is there any way to avoid? Oh god. Let me out of the bubble. Oh god. I don't like the giant chicken head. I don't like the giant chicken heads. Oh crap, oh crap. Shoot! Oh, god dang it. I can't time. Ow! 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 Enough. Oh, give me that. Oh, I just want to kill you.
Shoot that hippie!
I'm trying, Nick. Trust me, I'm trying. Let me eat one of these. Oh god. God dang it. Is there like no way to avoid those, or do I just suck at it like really hard?
Oh, this bitch is stinky.
Yeah, she is. Oh god. Okay, I see. I just have to run until it gets stuck. Oh god.
Accept your plight.
Oh, man. Macrame her stupid guts.
That bubble actually saved me. Oh, I can also shoot it. Okay. Oh god. Oh, I need to run and get some ammo. Oh god. Just run. Just run. Alright. Oh, this one's almost dead.
Oh, man.
Oh god.
Man.
Oh god. Whoa. Alright. There's only two left. Alright.
Oh, man.
Crap.
Shoot that hippie.
That one is still like full health.
Oh, there is.
Ow. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh crap.
Oh, this bitch is stinky.
I think it's just the one left. So if I can just... I just keep hitting that one.
Oh, man.
Oh crap. Oh god. Come on.
Kill that trippy bitch. Watch out.
Alright, I've got to make it over there. Come on. Yeah! Is she gonna turn into like 16 of them now?
Truth become
Really?
two truths become.
Let me guess, we're gonna do it again. Yep.
See the truth before your eyes. The gates to the abyss.
I don't like that there's so many of you.
Can I go home now?
I would love it. Oh god. What the heck? Oh god. Oh god. Just...
Oh, the personality irks the hell out of me.
Oh. No, giant hand. Go away, giant hand. I'm just trying to get as many shots in as possible and also avoid the giant hand. No, this one's actually not that hard. I just gotta keep moving. Stupid hand. I don't think I've taken any of them out yet. I might have taken out one or two. Oh, God damn. Ow. Oh, this is my last lollipop. Yeah, gotta go for it. Just gotta go for it. Butterflies! Not the butterflies! Oh, I just took like 2 or 3. Oh, I've just taken so many of them out. Okay, I think as long as I keep going. Ah! That just killed that theory. Alright, super, super close. Okay, Okay, I avoided the hand. Alright, it's just this one left. Yes! Alright, I gotta get over there. Come on, come on. Yeah! Boss battle done. Dirty hippie. That's the best achievement ever. I think that's the best achievement I've ever gotten.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron!
What?
Peace out. Way out.
Take that, hippie chick. No, I think that one was actually easier than the last couple. Like, a couple of them have been pretty hard, but that one was actually fairly simple.
May I speak to Reggie from the barrio coepto?
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me,
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the QWERTYpounds Center. I can't wait to party with your corpse like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Your sister?
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Mr. Starling?
Well,
Wow!
See, not bad. Not great, but not bad. Alright, we killed that zombie. Now it's on to the next one. But that is going to wrap it up for today, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, I would very much appreciate if you would leave a like and a comment with some feedback. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys... excuse me. I will see you guys later.